Greetings everybody and welcome to Just Normie channel. If you're new, please like, subscribe, and share that content as we are 20 subs away from 500. I know that I have not been around a lot in regards to my content and stuff. I'm going to try and kind of do some updates and stuff like that. Maybe just drop a video maybe once a week and all that stuff. But I'm going to try, everybody. I'm going to try. But I initially started this channel because of what was going on with the pandemic and all that stuff, and the coof and all that, as many of you know, and Gary from Nerdrotic and stuff like that, was basically my inspiration in starting my channel and stuff like that, and all of you that have been so supportive in my channel and what I've done, and has bared with me in my little of where I've gone and where I haven't and what I'm doing and all that. But today I want to talk about something that I am very, very, just taken back by and all that. This Johnny Depp and Amber Heard trial, I have been glued to it. I have been very interested in it, and I've been very disturbed by what I've seen, by the accusations coming from Depp's side against Amber and Amber's team against Johnny Depp, and what has been said on both sides, to the drug use, the alcohol usage and stuff like that. I did not realize that it was so prominent in Johnny Depp's life, and I hope that he gets help in that, because I'm a former drug user myself. I've been clean for almost, I'd say, 19 years, I think, and stuff. And I did meth and marijuana. I know that marijuana is not really per se, but it's still part of that whole category thing and all that. But, I think that what has happened with regards to Heard and Depp, and Heard manipulating and trying to trigger somebody's key areas and stuff like that with regards to what Depp was attempting to do and get clean. And I know it's not easy at all, and I can't imagine it being that much easier, being the Hollywood's celeb and how big Johnny Depp is as an actor. And so I personally think that Johnny Depp is one of our best actors in my lifetime, next to the late Robin Williams and stuff. And it's very disheartening to see what he's going through, because I thought that my own demons of going through, getting clean and getting up and off my feet and stuff like that, just like Nerdrotic. Gary Buechler at Nerdrotic and stuff like that. He's very upfront about his drug usage and his ups and downs and all that stuff. I can't imagine. It's got to be 100 times or 1,000-fold worse for someone like Johnny Depp, but then having a manipulative wife or girlfriend at the time that's trying to keep you in a controlled state or a manipulative state and stuff like that. I can't imagine. And stuff like that. And I'm watching this and stuff like that, and it's just it being so up front, and the way that Depp is being upfront about his demons and stuff like that. He knows it's on trial, and he's on trial and stuff like that, and not for the alleged accusations from the Heard team against Johnny Depp and vice versa. But, we all have demons like this. It doesn't matter what we do or how we deal with them, as long as we deal with them, because staying sober and deciding to clean yourself up is a bigger man, and knowing that you have a problem and that you need help. But getting that help for someone like Johnny Depp, that's a little bit harder, because you can't just go to a meeting. You can't just walk into a rehab place. You know what I'm saying? You're going to have paparazzi or whatever or whomever. But the man owns a damn island, for Christ's sake. So, you know, and all that. And I admire that. I kind of see the human side of whom Johnny Depp is. And I really respect him coming out. And I know that he doesn't really have a choice in regards to this being out there. But you know what? He could have, snuffed all this under the rug and dealt with this behind closed doors, of course. But this isn't public opinion. This is an open streaming and stuff. But I really, really feel bad for Johnny Depp. I like him. I was never a fan of Amber Heard and stuff like that. I never heard of her until she was in Aquaman. I am personally boycotting the Secrets of Dumbledore because of the replacement of Johnny Depp from that movie. Even though I like Mads Mikkelsen that took over the role and stuff like that. Nothing against him because I absolutely love him as an actor. He's another one of those actors that's pretty much in my view a very good actor. That's very under the radar a lot of times and stuff like that. He's not like a upfront character, of course. I don't really see him as an A-class actor on the level of Johnny Depp and stuff like that. But I will say though that getting back to this whole situation and stuff like that, it's very disheartening to see what's going on and all that. But it looks like he's clean. I hope he doesn't fall off the wagon because it's very easy to do so, especially in this situation in which the Heard lawyers are really going after Johnny Depp. And I don't know how this is going to play out or how this is going to end. But Johnny Depp is suing Amber Heard for $50 million for defamation. And I guess Amber Heard is countersuing for $100 million and stuff like that. It seems like Heard and her family and those acolytes around her and stuff like that are just in it to basically suck money out of Johnny Depp during their relationship or their time and all that stuff. Plus being a very, very toxic person in Johnny Depp's realm, basically, and being married to her was very toxic. I don't know what he saw from her, but as someone who was abused by their mother, just as Johnny Depp has stated too as well, you become intoxicated by those that you were abused by, and I assume that that's what attracted him to Amber Heard, is her how toxic she was. I know that's kind of hard to believe, but unless you've been in that situation, you understand it and stuff like that. It can be very intoxicating and very much on its own a drug on itself. And I can relate to what Mr. Depp is going through. The things that Amber Heard even did in just pushing buttons, like making it out like that the children that Mr. Depp has had with his first wife and all that with Rose Depp and his son, and stuff, stating that their stepfather is a bigger man or a better man than Depp and stuff like that. That's just nastiness. That's just knowing what buttons to push and hurt him with, and that's just wrong, period. Those are his children. Who the hell do you think you are? You know what I'm saying? Or even pooping on the bed. How much more childish can you be? She's being caught in lies after lies after lies. Johnny Depp on the stand, I don't know if he's acting or not, or if that's really his personality. From all indications, that's his real personality, but he is really, really laid back from what I can tell and all that. But Other than that, I don't know what you all think about this, but it's very interesting. I know a lot of people are watching it and all that stuff, and I just it blows me away what's going on. You know that. Um, but I want you to know that it's not the mental illness situation that we're seeing in this court proceeding unfold to the drug and alcohol abuse and stuff like that. If you're one of those people, I would encourage you to reach out and get help. As somebody who's got PTSD and has mental issues from time to time, I know the struggles that come with that, and it's not easy at all. But I want you to know that you're not alone. I hope you enjoy this video. We're coming up a little after 11 minutes. I apologize for my ramblings and all that stuff, but let me know what you think down below. Like, subscribe, and share my content below. Take care, everybody. Peace out, everybody. Bye.